As a kid, I would go play outside and explore nature like many kids do. And looking back on that experience, I was playing in these degraded landscapes. But as a kid, I saw them as this nature wonderland. It also became apparent as I got older, there's a lot of land that has been sort of forgotten that needs attention. And that's where restoration ecology comes in.
My name is David Keys, and I am a Restoration Ecology major in my third year. The Restoration Ecology major is unique in a lot of the Warner College majors because it's so wide in its scope. You look at things like water science and soil science, rangeland and forests, and even some biology and wildlife.
So the major is really interesting in that we are able to educate students in the ecology of these systems and how these systems tick, how we can diagnose what's wrong with them, and then how we can fix them. This major educates students to become the doctors of our landscapes.
When I first decided to come to CSU, I was pretty nervous. As an older student and a veteran, I didn't know if I'd necessarily fit in where I was going. But once I got to Warner College, I realized that I was not the only veteran, not the only adult learner, and not the only person like me. And it's great to be a part of a community where everyone's coming together because they want to make a difference in the world around us.
Our students see the future and see the opportunity that they have in front of them, and they're so pumped up about it. Teaching them to think a little more critically, to harness that optimism and that energy is inspiring.
With the combination of incredible professors and the environment being perfect for learning, CSU is perfectly positioned to really provide the best education you can get in this field.